The news hit like a thunderstorm. Amazon is cutting 30,000 jobs. One of the most powerful companies on earth is laying off more people than the population of some small towns. But why? Isn't Amazon making billions? Isn't AI supposed to create jobs, not destroy them? Behind these headlines lies a story about technology, greed, and survival. Because this isn't just about jobs, this is about the future of work and your financial future too. Stay with me till the end because what Amazon just did is a signal for every investor and every working professional in 2025. Officially, Amazon says it's about efficiency, but that's just a polite word for AI replaced you. Amazon's logistic division is now run by AI systems that predict demand better than any human team. Customer support AI chatbots handle 70% of the volume. Even product listings are now being written by generative AI models. Every task that can be automated is being automated. The result Amazon's quarterly expense dropped by 11% and investors are cheering. But the question is, if this is the future of work, why does that leave the human? Wall Street loved the news. Amazon stock jumped nearly 6% in 2 days after the layoff announcement. Why? Because fewer employees mean lower cost and high profit margin. But has the hidden side. When big tech companies cut jobs, it often marks the start of a new market cycle. Remember 2023, 2024, Meta, Google, and Microsoft all cut thousands of jobs and their stock prices skyrocketed right after. So, for investors, Amazon layoff might actually be a green signal, but for society, it's a red flag. This isn't just about Amazon, it's a global trend. Every major corporation is learning the same lesson. AI doesn't take breaks, vacations, or salaries. But what's scary is how fast it's happening. In 2020, AI was just a buzzword. In 2025, it's a workforce. According to a new Deloitte report, over 40% of US companies plan to replace human roles with AI by 2027. But here's the silver lining. People who learn to work with AI instead of against it will be the next millionaires. The next big wealth wave won't be about coding. It will be about using AI smarter than everyone else. If you're watching this, don't panic. Layoffs are not the end of opportunity. They are the start of a new economy. Amazon's decision might seem cold, but it's showing us where the world is heading. So here's your choice. You can complain about AI taking jobs, or you can start building income streams that AI cannot replace. Subscribe to Facet Made because on the channel we show you how to do exactly that. How to build oil in the new world of AI, investing and automation. Remember these: those who adapt survive, those who innovate thrive.